Mamma Wakwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVG so what friend me Adjoa search me.
His Excellency, Dr. Bawumia more message you him out. Sir Hubtal and seminar a course before election. In Nipa na accuse you. Sammy Gyamfi. Nana Jantua and I call the friend Solomon Wusu. Omo teacher butcher on the program there. Would I am family fan say Omo ye ignorant. Omo de na we no mo can omo ediso. Any radio stations are Omo tenake can say me nyina. We be seen there. They are not even bold to come out and apologize to you for lying. And yes, omo di intro keke. Omo kan Sammy Gyamfi kan say there. You we are o man sika. Nti dog. Menim say now we are vice and there. What the court a man for Becca say be a who use power. They say who opposition. Ex vice president. Some of them cocaine, do na uchi. Ibinu Ghana. And then no quarry dead. And no quarry na dead. No be am person biti. Media no be am person biti. Tinana ada dina Hubtal no ada di say. Enya dia wo se kura wo. Enya dia wo ni no. Documents there. We are now new team. Instruct your lawyers to go to court. Now, Crawford, Sammy Gyamfi, Nipa 3-way, Sammy Gyamfi try UTV. We to try FM. Solomon Wusu need a minimum radio station out tonight and our TV station. But videos in now. So the most share video no na mu most share me. Now will be a videos in the public domain. Into videos no. We ne doctor. Ena se court so court be say omonfa full tape ni mra. Inte no kra de any problem. Doc se utimi si nkofo we ni. Enya se minim sa nkosi o munyiska. But sometimes ade ba kwa me pe wa brofo ho say omudi hu de wo ye den broni obati ni din. Broni ni din hu hia no pa na doc. What distinguishes you so well in Ghana politics? I mean, said that Namia Doma, Umreswa, Ubeba, as a president. My dog, Tim Dihu, Sadi, a woman say, Hubtal, no engineering him saying, no, dear. By intro, and in Nabrabani Kuntumpa, Nana Jantua, Sammy Gyamfi, Solomon Wusu, Chatoso, Mokani Yaya, and my bidding of her, Bebreji, say, oh, dear. Na ya mu bi chirim ekofa even after crowd internet so the owners now mon person biti e be si ne me hu se Sammy Gyamfi akoba bi akoka se sa asem no twesan me hu se na Jantua atena Israel FM apa ucho e na Solomon Wusu ne so mpa ucho ti doc me de mesre nya me na me chiro de ye de ba ye no ma support o no so take legal action e be de.
We took the opportunity to explain. It's not about religion. It's not because you call MPP call for a Muslim presidential candidate and my results no basa because we really share data no and even historical antecedent. Professor Edu Wahenkoya Anyin. It wasn't about his religion or where he comes from. Yeah, President Kufuor call first one. I would not 39%. His Excellency, 96. It wasn't because he was a Muslim or not, but of course, second time, he won. And at the time now, President Mills, first time, it wasn't because he was a Northerner or Muslim. He won the second time. He lost. It wasn't because of his religion or where he comes from. He won the third time. So also, and our President Kufuor so called first one. And he, the son Nico second one. Now so, the court kind no the court kind no yajitum and a third one and President Mahama was the first one. There was but because of sympathy and I put it go loyalty in American side because our position we know by data by court to Kasa your flag bearer ejitum and in ejitum. But also no, not there were a lot of sympathy because na arehwato Ghana nyina ye man penny fufi antoata when to me and trying the first term. Ye nyina era ho Ghana so about die we ho pa. Into the voter behavior of Ghanaian no sympathy plays a key role. But ono akase Jan and also ko no. Even though he was a sitting president, whatever he did for 4 years, he lost. Or call third one, he lost in 2020. Answer or could build a 4th timer. If you look at the broader, voter behavior of Ghanaian, where the flag by Bakwa and Tani, but so some could be and all those things, we dispelled it. We even used later. Crystal 4 parliamentary candidates, Jinaye, 236 parliamentary candidates, MPP, they Jinaye, Albia Crystal 4, 49 Muslims. But out of the 236 are Omia Crystal 4, Senka, the assertion said Muslim candidates and then desirable here. And all of them should have performed better than him. Sure. But he performed better than most of us, including me and Yesofo. And and most of the seats we lost it to Muslim parliamentary candidates. So it wasn't about religion. And Ghanaians look for competence, vision, but they also look at the pattern, say, which are 8 years a year, and I am company, which are 2 times a year, so yeah, that would be bias, the reception, at the man party, and political interest. We took the opportunity to explain. It's not about religion. It's not because that was NSO Ozubempa.
Felix Kwachofu su kande to so a me fi se na nke no de efiri mu anke beboa se one wa pachel ye twi nanim ejenu anu no. So we discussion na ekwa akwa se o de bia yi de anu de o de montwena so kakra bi
tike bia suspension bi
e bi kura
ananka ye je ni sika
president
edema mahama care
the ministers bia anko file o mo de ndie asseta or say you've lost your 3 months
plus
salary,
1 month, 4 months.
1 month, there. Mama mo up to a be a close of Wednesday. Man kwanko you lose your positions. Now man for call say dia. Senior in terms of governance, President John Dramani Mahama Sia start here. Ekoye. Now say what decided say he would discipline anybody that goes overboard. No. Now a man for expect some kind of SBA. Bibi kakra akota se okase wa pacho ye twinanim enti eno anu no the speed with which odebe pacho no enye hwe mum yemfa nche no a akota na kese we twese bi ato e ma the other appointees
to obi so fuma oba be pacho
mi kokofum ya mi hu say public ade ne ba no ade che anopa na ma twira koto mi Facebook page say me so me pacho adwobre o na me chief of staff afre me na ma kobu nkotudwe no atwumanim se ne obi bai na say opacho na say mutwi nanim a na say mo de ne bo na eche me a ade na me de